Assalamu alaikum. Ahmed here again. Welcome to the 14th video lecture of class 4 maths, and to, today we will be doing this part here. It says subtract 100 from each of the following numbers on page number let me guess 10, and for the first part here it says 1,046,000 sorry 1,46,952 1,46,000 and 952. Thank you. And we have to subtract 100 from each value. So for 100 here, if we subtract 100, 2 will be placed here, 5 here, and if we minus 1 from 9, we get 8, and from and the 6 will be written as it is, and 4 and 1, and the resultant value that we get is 1,46,852. The rest of the problems will be solved just like that. You have 3 problems here as your homework, and you can do this part too as your homework. You can get help from your parents, your tutors, and if you still have any problems, then leave a comment below video, and I'll just get to that. Thank you.